What's happening from Cabo, everybody? And if you mad that you couldn't afford your 420 supplies this year, listen close so you never had that problem again, right? So look, when I first started trading that PDT rule, it was cooking me. If you didn't have $25,000, you couldn't day trade with a US broker, period. So people did one of two things. They went to unregulated offshore brokers from places like the Cayman Islands, and look, don't ever do that. And I'm serious. They'll wipe out your whole account and there's nothing you can do about it. And if I warn you about something, it's because I lived it. So you don't have to go through that. Hove did that. Or you had to trade in the cash account. And this is where it gets slow. If you had $2,000, you could only take one real trade. So for example, a $2 stock at 1,000 shares, that's your whole account. Win or lose, you done for the day because your money gotta settle before you can trade again. But all that's old news because everything just flipped. So look, starting on June 4th, 2026, you can take that $2,000 stimulus check that you saved from COVID, the president gave you way back in the day, the one that you saved, you could put it in a Lightspeed or in a Webull margin account and trade it over and over and over again. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy back, sell again, run it up. Now, that sounds good, but let me keep it real with you. Just because you can trade more does not mean that you should trade more. Because if you don't have discipline, and if you don't have a real strategy, and if you don't have risk management, then you're not trading, you gambling, and you will lose that $2,000 fast. But if you get honest with yourself and stop pretending and actually commit to growth, then that $2,000 can turn into real opportunity. Now, more time with your family, freedom, or go get that Ferrari if that's your thing. Like whatever freedom look like to you, that's what it can create for you. And that's what we teach at Faith and Fortitude Trading. So if you want me to break down exactly how we help new and struggling traders build profitable accounts through faith, discipline, and structure, comment process below and I'm gonna send it to you. All right, family. I'm Dion Jordan Jr. This is Faith and Fortitude Trading, where it's always process over profits. I'm out.